Hello, today I will show you how to fix the keyboard wrap board, why it's broken out, how to reinstall it. Something like this is the keyboard wrap, and normally we install the onto your desk. You can use the rack to moving out your keyboard, use your keyboard very easily. But sometimes you find that your rack is broken. Something like it is the rack is with the force, the rack is out of it, and even sometimes the ball is pressing out from your wrap. And today I will show you how to reinstall it. And as you see here, normally it's installed like that, like this, right? And yes, you need to get it fluid from here, then to it. But this is the wrong way to insert the rack back. The first thing, you need to remove the rack from your board to get the wrap only. Then here is the fans. We need to make it fat, and once your board is coming out, you can insert the board from here. As we see here, the board is out, and install board and push the wrap into the outer wrap. And here we can install it from this side into the wrap. Then we just need to use this. We can use to bend this fans into the virtual to then we install into the wrap. And the things I need to tell you, that's why your board is coming out or why this is coming out. The first, you need to check. This is the outer board, outer wrap. You need to make sure it is screwed inside. But this is the outside wrap. But please ensure the rack is explained outside. That's all. Thank you for watching. If I can help you, please make me a thumb. Thanks for watching. Okay.